Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crisis here, and it's time for some game dev. Here we go. What's up? What's good? Oh. Yeah. All right. So what we are doing is first we are going to be going through and making sure that all of our appropriate scenes have the new style of this, which is not that. We gotta go through and fix all that first. So we're gonna do that. And then after that, we're gonna work on quests. So, we have what? We have shop has it done. Shops is done. Season pass is not. Collection is done. Right, collection's done. Collection level is not done. Right. Collection level's not done. For the bottom nav bar. And graph mode is not. Right. So I go through and go to the main menu. I'm gonna grab this nav bar on the bottom. I'm gonna put it in the season pass. Pass nav bar. Here. Okay. Find that guy. Go like that. With the season pass, we're going to make sure that everything stays still. I think we're going to move this season pass up the smallest amount and get it away from that. Cool. And we're going to go here. We're going to change this to currently off. No, off. Main on. Okay. So now that's like that. We gotta do the top part too. After we get these. Three. Oh. Comes in. Add a click. Season pass. Okay. And it's shop. Let's season pass. Come on. Season pass have a script on, doesn't it? No? Where's the season pass script? There it is. Figure it out, guys. Pass. None of this. Okay. Gotta go through and change that up. Hide season pass, fade out the main menu. Okay. This is actually going to be, instead of hide season pass, it's going to be on, back to on, main menu. We'll do another one. On shop. And on party chest. go. Shop. Collection. There we go. Cool. So now all three of these have an on menu. Okay, that part's set up. Now we got to go back to grab that information up there. Level info and currencies. Get 2 season pass. Okay. What do I do? Level info and currencies. Out. See ya. Wouldn't want to be it. All right. And also, we don't need to show circle. Okay. Actually, I'm going to move this. Whatever pass we got is right here. That. What if I put in the middle? What would look fine in the middle? There, maybe. Oh, right there. Now I've got to. This is not a button anymore. Just the visualization. Doesn't need that. Okay. I need to now attach all information that I have from the main menu on pass. Including currency and everything. Okay. I wonder why this manager isn't here. Can I move that? Yeah. Is that good? Breaking the nav bar? Yep. Break the nav bar. Okay. Menu. Okay. Make sure there's nothing that says transform child or something like that in this. Pass. Okay, that's good. The CG. Okay. Error info. Public TMP text. Ooh, okay. TMP Pro. TMP text. Gonna be player name. Text. And another one for profile level. CCL text. Profile level text. CCL text. Currency blue. Currency orange. Or currency coin. Currency gem. Is there anything else? Am I missing anything else there? About it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. I'd say that's pretty much everything. pretty much. Alright. Now we gotta set it all up, all the references. Here in, actually. Oh, we're not. Okay, we did the S thing as well. Alright. Player name. Profile level. CCL text. No, CCL text. Currency coin. Currency gem. Sweet. Okay. What else do we need? This backer display thing needs to show how much progress we have currently too. Okay. Alright, so let's do this. It's gonna be, alright, so player name equals player prefs dot get string, what is it called? Player name, save manager. We have that as a spot. A little bit weird. Not the settings manager. So my manager shows it too. Level display and update currency. It's gotta be this. Gotta be that. This. It's whatever these two are. Ugh. These guys. This isn't called player profile name, it's called player name text. This isn't called level display, it's called, I don't have anything for level display. This is called coin gem. Okay. Alright. Level display. Go to fill amount. That's the current level. Profile level. Okay. For the CCL level too. Start. CCL level inside here. Cool. Should look good. Just take this shot. Supposed to. That's not taking the L. Alright. Alright, so a couple more things, not done. Thing. interactable. The X needs to go back to the main menu also. Make sure we do that. X. CG X. S. Back to main menu. Cool. And then the CCL button. Front one go backer CCL. Look, this is the button. We need an on CCL and we need an on shop gems. Right? So on CCL. Okay. Set the scene, collection level. This is going to be on shop by. That is how do I get to the shop to show certain one by default? But is this the active shop panel index? Is that what it is? What if we change the active shop panel index to a static number? And then it switches to that one. Slide panel. Active shop panel index. Cool. And that would be if I go back to main menu. So when we're switching to shop, okay, hold on. This is going to be shop, but it's going to be shop manager.active scene panel index equals 2. We're adding stuff. Okay. Otherwise, on shop is going to be 0. Right. So that's going to be in most of these shops. On shop. Okay. Find match, no. Section UI. On shop. Whoa. Okay. So any more on shops? Season pass manager. Season pass manager shop. There's a button that changes this to 2. Right? So in the main menu, we have on shop and we have on shop by. Changes this to 2. Okay. This one, let's see how the shop is this one. The I guess it could always just default to 0. There's a faster way for me to do this. Right, I can just do on shop and I can do int panel. Just do active shop index equals panel. It'll default to 0. So I don't need to do on shop by. Problem solved, right? Oh? Didn't it like about it? Fine. Using the shop on it. One shop by. One shop into panel. This is panel. Oops. That instead. That's what I'll go back through and set them all. This shop 0. Then the currency. Add funds. Use and pass. On shop. 2. Okay. Pretty straightforward. And I can go into a menu, do the same thing. I can go to the nav bar shop. Shop. Currency. Funds. Shop. Should work. Yep. And if I go here, perfect. Absolute perfection. Okay. Here, I have this information. Still need to update that all. Use and pass. This guy. Like that. All right. All right. All right, so now pass is good. The collection screen. Collection screen has those buttons. Bar shop. On view shop. Thing. Into panel. Okay. Now they're slightly more dynamic. They're so dynamic. It's amazing how dynamic it is. Can you believe it? Alright. So the shop. The shop. Le shop. You shop. Also currency and add is going to be here. You shop. You shop number 2. Okay. So now in the CCL screen, we need to take the right stiff, go here, here, and here, this and this, copy into the CCL screen, here, and go pasty. Then we need the nav bar too. Alright, so then also the nav bar. My new this guy, copy. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Clearly don't need CCL, but not there. Okay, so we don't need a couple things in this screen, right? We don't need the XP backing. No, we don't need the XP backing. That's fine. We need that player info. I'm assuming we probably do. Okay, so what if I went into this BG here? We go like this. Almost the meltdown. Oh, it's out of range of that other stuff. I like that. It looks great. It's touching it on the cusp. I don't mind that. And you're getting pretty round. Come here, fat cat. There you go. He's a good kitty. Got big booty though. Big booty. Right now, she's just living life, staying warm. Life is hard. But we don't live in Siberia, right? Put your feet down. You smell my coffee? You, Dad. Do you drink? You. Good kitty. And she's gone. And purring very loudly because of it. Now what do I do? Would like appreciation and love, please, Father. Okay, so the CCL screen needs all the same information that we currently have. The nav bar needs to be the nav bar. Need to make sure that this is interactable and this one off, on. Okay. I like to work on a separate nav bar system that actually doesn't require you to have the, like, it should have its own script. I think it does anything except for being nav bar. Let's do that. This is silly. The nav bar needs to be its own. Honestly, okay, so that's gonna be like on the list of things to do. It's not anything that's gonna move the as its own prefab with script. It's not gonna like change the course of the game. It's just gonna create ease of use for me, so it's not really even worth working on right now. Okay, so stop all those things. This needs to be off because off. Find collection manager. All right. We need all the info that we have, like from the main menu. Okay. We need like these things. This. What else do we need? Those things. those, and we need these. Okay. So then we also need this information inside awake start or something. Okay. And then we need where's the rest of the information? It's like it's conveyed. State currency. That's important. CCL. Okay. State currency. CL. Okay. And then the currency, CCL, what else do we need? The file name we did, we just need level display and collection level text. Oh, level display. 1, 2, 3, 4, we need a level display. That. This guy. Then update level display. Okay. Okay. Fill we don't need to worry about. The currency is not a thing. Okay. Orange, it's fine. Okay. Good then. Oh, we also need to get back to in the CCL manager. We have which way do we go? Want to edit decks, menu, void on shop int shop manager dot equals panel. Cool. Fader system dot fade out. Cool. Awesome. Okay. Player name. Level display. CCL. Okay. Currency. Currency. And currency. Add funds button. Ooh. Nice. Regular shop. Nice. Cool, cool. On edit deck. Cool. Awesome. All right. Looks consistent. Consistently consistent. Deal screen. Love it. Wonderful. It's odd. The box doesn't seem right. Oh, this CCL button doesn't work. Just using the M's. Perfect. Wonderful. Looks great. Cool. Wonderful. Hot roll. Get to actually look at all of it too, which is nice. Okay. We are getting there, man, that's for sure. It's a process, but we are getting there. The inside the collection level, you cannot click on season pass because you're in, or you cannot click on collection level because you're in collection level, so that makes complete sense. Nice. Alright, it's time to work on the quests. Quest system cooperating and working, right? Let's see if we can rebuild this quest system and see if we get it to work. Quest to active. So is it still adding quests when we play? It does add quests when we play. So it needs to show these active quests. Right. So the main menu, quests, image. We also need the object here. What is this image? That image. Why is it so far up? Weird. Okay. We need an empty. This is going to be quest visuals. We're going to do a vertical layout group. It's going to be side image. That is the CCL piece. This thing. Upper right. Maybe. Look at the reference again. Is there a main menu reference for the new version? There is. What is that? Main menu thing. Ah, quest background. We actually have one. Very nice. Oop. Noise. Noise. Okay. This is a quest background. Okay. Just like that, huh? We'll reduce the spacing between them. And it's going to go right underneath there. Okay. This will be 4 act. They'll be the active quest. Then inside here, there will be two different groups of text. Text. Labrada. Old. Old. Let's give me that orange, that and color. Beige, if you will. That's too dark. More like you. Wonderful. I'm gonna say, I'm a quest. We look at me do this. Okay. If it works, it works, right? Like that. And we're gonna bring the spacing all the way down. How far out do we want this to be? I guess relatively far. Let's do 18. How long can this really be? Okay, let's see here. Let's what do you think the longest quest is currently? Where are my quests at? Sources. They're all really easy. Play 3 mana cards. Okay. We don't have any of these set up correctly. 13. All right, now natural text. So I think honestly right now it's like 6 mana, 6 mana cards. Okay, so this should be right aligned, maybe center aligned, maybe center aligned. Overflow, ellipse. We allow for 2 lines. We should allow for 2 lines. Yes. Okay. Another one in white. Bolus. White. Okay. Two out of 10. Cool. Make this font a little bit bigger, up to 22. Good to go. Okay. That is a quest info object. We need a script for that. Do we have that in here? Quest name, menu object, name, progress, XP. We do have that. Okay. This is what's up, Phoenix? How you doing, bud? Quest title, quest progress. Okay. Title, progress. You don't need quest XP. Okay. Active quest. We set the active quest information. In the quest main menu system, show the quest. Fade them on, but we don't fade them off. Love that. Okay. Where's my quest menu? What was I even in? I am in the quest main menu system. Quest holder. Okay. Not this. It is instead. This needs to go here. Okay. 0. Off. Quests. Okay. Make you a prefab. Prefabs. Quest. Bye. Go. All right, so you over there. Doesn't do it. Might do it. Bring a canvas group here. Group.
There's a cap on my feet again.
Play 1 mana cards, play 1 mana cards, play 1 mana cards. Okay, so we need to make sure when we select show quests, active quest, update quest, active quest, play, update quests, active quests dot count, quest manager, 6 new quests, right? Okay, I can write this better. So you definitely want a list of quests, right? You want a list of quests, all possible quests. So we can do a for loop through all quests dot count, which is what we definitely need to do, right? All quests is quests, add range to all of them. Okay. All quests dot count. We run a for loop through J through quest display. So find object of type. Hold on. Quest display. This is called main menu. Quest main menu system. Q equals find object of type. Quest main menu. Okay. So then Q dot quest displays dot length. Okay. If Q dot quest displays J dot ID dot we need an ID. We need an active. It needs to be an active quest. What is active quest? Yeah. Oh. So active quest. Active quest. Then we can do Q. Do active quest equals Q. Got it. Okay. So, dot active quest is not equal to null. So if it's not equal to null, Q dot displays J quest dot ID dot quest data.id. Come on. Quest ID equals all quests quest ID. And the same quest ID is there. Okay. So if this is happening, continue. Otherwise, we will all quests. So we will all possible quests dot add all quests I. Okay. So this isn't needed. Right? So we don't need any of that. We need to create an need to create an AQ. So the AQ is that one. Parent's parent, set the parent, then we set from all possible quests, and we initialize, and we add the AQ. We then also find the next so we do AQ dot give sibling index, right? So this would be Q dot quest displays AQ dot get sibling and transform get sibling index. Okay. Dot active quest equals AQ. Then dot active quest. No. Dot update quest. AQ. Does that fix that? It should. Maybe I'll erase the quests. Do not load quests right now. Loading quests right now is not helping us. Right? So if we stop loading quests. If we stop loading quests right now, this might help us. Right, I'm just trying to see if I can get no duplicates. Really? Why didn't load quest? Why is load quest stopping that from happening? Load quests. Verify quests. Add new quest to active. Add new quest to active. Okay. Why is there an issue? Shouldn't be any problems, right? But why is this not turning its canvas on? Only did 2 of them, but it did work. So it only needs to turn on the ones that have active quests. So it needs to make sure that these are all off first. Right, we need to make sure that they're all off to start. Why did it turn all? Why is it turning everything off? I want that off. Oh, I'm locked. How long have I been locked for? Okay. That's funny. Alright. Off. Okay. So, quest visuals, so we can literally turn those on. So if we go here, this .game object set active true. Okay. Explain to me why we are not showing the quests. The quest main menu system. Go on no matter what, right? Oh. Mana cards by 2 mana cards. That's not how that works. Should not be able to get the same one twice.
it shouldn't even be a possibility. Does the active quest know the ID number? I think it does. Doesn't it? Active quest. It does know the active quest. 41052. Alright, we're back. Okay, so that's working, but not working. Draw cards, play 3 mana cards. 5 mana cards. Okay, it's working. I don't know why it was weird that we had duplicates. We didn't ever have that. There should never be duplicates. Right? Literally shouldn't be possible. How can it be possible if we are definitely checking against everything possible before showing that as before setting that as an actual thing? Right? Quest manager. So list of IDs. This is how we're gonna do this. We're going to set up a list of ints called taken IDs. Okay. So we're going to go through a for loop here. For loop of quest displays. Wait. Queue quest displays length. Right? Okay. Queue quest displays length, queue quest displays I. So taken IDs. Add. We'll do queue quest displays I. Dot quest active quest dot quest ID. If queue quest displays dot active is not equal to null. Right? Now I can literally just go. I can go if. Wait, hold on. I can do if taken IDs that contains this quest ID. That's all I have to do. Continue. Don't need that. Don't need these. Don't need this. Right. So when we add it, we are adding it. We're doing this number. We're checking to see if we can do it or not. Perfect. This shouldn't be an issue. It would be totally fair. Okay, we are going to do a couple little informational things here. Go.log. Go requests. All possible quests.count. Total. Okay, take total IDs used. Taken IDs. Oops. Taken IDs dot count. Okay. Come on. Let's go. You can do it. Come on. Alright, 16 till IDs use 0. Whoa! What's up, Sean? Sean Peoples coming back for 9 months.
Video Games.
Video. Small stroke. Thanks for the support, buddy. Much appreciated. You're amazing. Hope you're doing well. It's good to see you as always. What's new? How's the food truck game coming? Got that new shirt? Sweet. Was that the Static City shirt or the World of Grimm shirt? I don't think you have the World of Grimm shirt yet. The World of Grimm shirt we actually did not publish. Static City? Yeah, the new shirt's great. I'm wearing it right now, actually. Happy you got it, man. The shirt for the World of Grimm is actually this logo. It's this, minus the login screen, obviously, but the shirt is this, basically this bounding box here. Like the center square. City trucks coming along slowly between day job and contract work? Yeah, I know that feeling. Currently between contract work, so. Someone with the login screen? Then we can make that happen. You might get poked like a touchscreen and try to get people to log in. This is even funnier. All cards play 3 mana cards. Looks fine. Index out of range. Why? How would index be out of range? Quest displays I. And menu objects. Okay. Active quests. Okay. Okay, I see. Alright. If... Alright. We need to update... We only need to update the quests if... If quest manager active quests dot count is greater than I plus 1? I plus 1, right? So if there's 1, we need to make sure we can update that quest, right? We don't need to question that anymore. We don't have to worry about that. It's not this guy. What's wrong? No surprise. Okay. Hope you're doing good, man. 6 mana cards, 1 mana cards. Perfect. Try it again. 3 mana cards, 6 mana cards. Nice. What if I give us 4 quests? What if we do 4 quests? Explain this up. Wow. 4 times, right in the kiss. Look at that. Look at that. I'm digging it. I don't see any duplicates. I don't think it's a possibility. Nice. 1, 1. Yep. Do we want to sort this by like alphabetical order? The card's 50. I don't mind it. I don't mind it being random. Sick. Okay. For now, we're gonna redeem quests by... Where is this thing? Quests. Okay. We're gonna redeem quests, making this clickable. Button. Do we want to do none? Yeah, we want to do none. No navigation on it. Only gonna be clickable if... So, bool is complete. Okay. If active quest is null, return. Okay. Return false. We're gonna return if we're gonna return active quest dot progress dot quest dot current is greater than or equal to active quest dot quest data dot. Seems good. What do we call that? I don't know if I need this to be like this or like that. No. That has the thing in it. Okay. It's complete. Update quest. If is complete. Gotta turn on the button. So we gotta get a reference to the button. The component. Button. Dot interactable equals true. Public void on redeem. Gonna be active quest dot redeem. Active quest. What? Quest manager. Quest. You got this quest. You can type manager dot instance dot redeem. Active quest. Quest. And this immediately. Yeah. Practical. False. Okay. We can hide. We're also going to hide this object. So this dot game object. Set active. False. Cool. Background. You got this, Chris. You can do it. Ready. Cool. We're gonna make sure the arm button flourish. 105. That's for sure. Station. Cool. Alright, so Sean, you got any new images or anything for the game? Any new content that I can peep at? Now if we go like this, we can now we can save quick. Pushing backend providers. We're actually, who are you using for your backend? Because we were looking at PlayFab for this game, and I think we're gonna end up using PlayFab. You moved from PlayFab? Any reason why? Just completely curious. To Unity Game Services? Was it better? Like, you got, because you have a premium currency as well in your game, right? Because we need to, so I need to store a couple things, right? I need to store player name, avatar, currency, premium currency, what quest you have currently, and what your decks are, right? So like I need to store what's in your starter deck, all that stuff, right? And I need to store I need to store which ones of these you've bought so far too. Cloud functionality less intuitive, requiring these as your functions as a separate account that can use those, and the amount of separate function calls just do simple things was rate limited in a bad way. Really? Well, that's interesting. So Unity Game Services does a better job with that stuff. I mean, it's good to know. Sure. Like, thankfully we don't have like 200,000 people in the, you know. Moving to Unity Service is simple, easy to integrate expansions of CloudScript from just JavaScript into C# as well is nice. Oh. I've never heard of CloudScript. Never once. Why did I only see 3? What's it for? Okay. Alright. So now, we are not redeeming. Good, easy data storage without having to work around PlayFab was also good. The easy way to, let's say you need a game function where you want to avoid the problem of running on the client side. A cloud script function. Oh, that's so cool. Sounds interesting. Daily login reward systems? Yeah, that's a thing, for sure. The thing we definitely might want to have. But they're on a server, not locally. Right. Okay. Okay. What about like a premium currency? I mean, it's obviously any kind of stat that needs to be saved on a server. UGS does a decent job with that, right? Because I mean, I save decks down as a string of characters. President of various game services, Steam, PS Network. So it does all that for us. Good to know. Because I save the decks like this. Right? It looks like this is the deck information. It's one long string that gets parsed. So I can literally just save a deck. Like that's a deck. Right? With the card ID, what version variant it is, the whole thing. Right? Who's playing what cards, buying expansions, game breaking cards? Ooh. And is Unity Game Services expensive? I'm assuming there's a free tier for UGS, right? There's got to be a free tier for UGS. What did I just pull? All ties together. Unity Game Services. $800 service credit offer. Damn.
accounts, cross devices, monetization. We don't need ads, so we're not doing ads. In-app purchases we need. Anything pushing inventory max multi-spend. Sick. Unity Pro. Wait, so we can't use... We have Unity Personal right now. This isn't what I don't want to know the plans for Unity. I know the plans for Unity. I want to know the plans for Unity Game Services. That's what I want to know. Battle passes. Okay. Well, we're doing battle passes. Doing virtual shops. We're doing the other rewards. Oh shoot. I'm in the wrong place. I'm doing the wrong thing. We should be using this 100%. If Valorant is using it, interesting. Oh, Valorant using the voice and text chat. Wow, they do server hosting too? Really? Why is this so impressive now? Has it always been this impressive? Don't mind me sending information to my backend dev. One second. This is important content to know about. Grown substantially over the last year or two. I think we have like 200 people part of the beta right now, which is pretty good. Not playing yet. I use every backend as a service, and UGS checks all the boxes. Really? That's actually really awesome. Good to know. I'm gonna have to look into that because that sounds amazing. I'm sure there are a bunch of videos online for it. Okay, this is working, which is phenomenal. We need to not automatically redeem. So in the quest manager, move from GameSparks after they were bought by Amazon to PlayFab. PlayFab started to show its intention to move people into more Azure-centric development, which is not, or Azure-centric development, which is obviously clearly not the ideal approach for a game, is to move to Azure, right? Azure is much more business-oriented. Am I correct about that? I think I'm correct about that. So I have saved the quests. Okay. Now we can call load quests. So it should actually load the correct quest. I want to be a small studio that's forced to use more. I don't want to be a small studio that's forced to more roll your own services when things like UGS offer them out of the box. Oh, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Were those the right ones? 4, 3, and draw. 4, 3, and draw. What's that? 4 quest though. 3 and draw. Why do we only have 3 quests? Using. Says we have 4. 4, 3, draw, and play 20. I pay checks say Unity Technologies on them, but I'm not on the UGS team, and I was using it before I was at Unity. Oh. Wait, you work for Unity? Since when did you start working for Unity? That's so freaking sick! Can you get me in? Can you get me in there, man? That's amazing. Do you work remote? And I mean, they get me in there was kind of serious because my freelance contract fell through. So,
if you want to, if you know, I mean, I have 7 years of experience. I can make games, right? I can work in Unity. You want to try to drop me in there? It'd be sick. Hit me up on Discord, or I'll hit you up on Discord. I'm assuming they pay well. Unity does pay well. Appreciate that. Yeah, freelance contracts fall through. It's never fun. So, why is this one not saying that it's active? Right, I've got 3 active, but not 4 active quests. So we're almost right. One of my quests is off for some reason. It's off because it doesn't say it's got a quest. That makes sense, doesn't it? Wrong. Wrong one. Add quest to active. Clean up empty quests. Add quest to active. Yeah, add the quests. Does it say we add 4 quests? I don't know. Reloader. I'm not getting any information about that. What happened in giving me debug information about that? Did I turn that off? No, I didn't turn that off. This debug isn't firing. Oh, I know why. There must only be 3 quests saved. Want to move? No, we can't move. Can't move. I live next to my parents and they're old. Gotta be remote. I mean, it's saving itself. I dig that. Okay. So, okay that it's saving itself. So redeem. Redeem happens only when you click it. I don't want that. Current plus equals amount. If current is greater than quest data dot quest dot required amount, then current equals quest data dot required. Okay. Cool. No more redeeming that way. Quest manager does have a progress. Not add new quest. It was not find quest. It was add quest progress. This guy. Right. Let's play a game and see if things update. Let's play a match and see what happens. Okay. 3 mana, 4 mana, and 25 cards played. The goal here is to play the match and see if the quests update. Why did Frog King buff Beggar Woman? I don't think that should have happened. Right? Faithful Henry, Woodcutter. Okay. Turn 4. Urella. Cat. Hypertown Mouse is 6. Here. Rats will take. Ungrateful son. Oof. Okay. Turn 5, huh? Turn 5 with Cinderella here for the win there. We can't. So we can Dark Omen and kill everything here. We Dark Omen and kill everything. Now winning. Okay, like pretty much everything died there. We got 3 new cards though. Okay, we're gonna put Snow White. I think we're gonna buff this side back. The final play. Go. Okay. Dove in. Alright, so cards were played. Alright. Cards were played, we got upgraded stuff. And pow! Look at that. Sick. Quests are working. Look at them working. That's sick. Okay. Now we gotta be able to redeem them. If we redeem them, it needs to increase our cosmetics. I think we have that set up correctly. Let me just make sure that that's actually right. Redeem. Add currency. Game currency. XP. Okay. What's up, Dev? Oh, ads. Okay. We're gonna get one of those quests done. Quests always feel good. Daily quests are a wonderful thing. Daily quests and weekly quests would be good, right? Especially in a game like this. Cloud Kingdom doubles attack, let's do it. Boom. Yeah, card draw. Yo, what's up, Dev Donut? How you doing? Oh, what we get? Master Schultz. Ooh, we got Sweetheart Roland though. That's disgusting. Or the channel get +2 attack power. +1 attack for each card with swabbing in its nameplate of this game. Okay. Is that an actual person? Who? Sweetheart Roland? Sweetheart Roland was part of a story. Yeah. He, here's the art. CJ chosen HTV? Oh, no, it's not. Unfortunately. Not yet. It looks like an actual person, and it plays like an actual person, right? No, but Sweetheart Roland's sick. Right? Actually, that game is about, this story is so messed up. This story is about a guy who kills... Oh no, she was gonna die, and he was playing his violin. Yeah, so all of the stories are from Brothers Grimm. Sweetheart Roland's an actual story. From what I recall, I haven't read the story in a while, but from what I recall, he plays violin or whatever to disguise himself that he killed her, but nobody knows that he killed her. Nobody knows he killed her. Because he's just playing violin next to her decapitated head. Or something. Real fucked up. Real fucked up. But no, yeah, every single card in this game is from a different story in the thing. The Shoemaker. Oh, look at the elf butts. Can we show elf butts on stream? We did. Ever played Among Us? I have played Among Us. Cool game. Very cool game. Ooh, that's wrong. Sweetheart Roland's code is wrong. He should be buffed. Interesting. Let me add that as a... Actually, I don't know what's happening. The calculations are all messed up in that. Game's taking shape so fast. Oh, it looks good, doesn't it? It looks real good. I'm really happy with it. I'll show you the season pass after this match. So we have played enough cards to get the... This is freaking out. There's something happening here. Alright, we're gonna play Godmother Toad. Left. Get a double its attack to 10. Boom. This is having a meltdown. Gotta fix that. Win. Ooh, giant on their side. Alright, we won. Sick. Attack automatically. So I can explain to you how the game works. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you some stuff that we have happening in the game now. So we should be able to redeem this one. Not act. Second. Let me just make sure that I stay focused. So give me a sec. But I will absolutely show you how the game works in a second. This one should be. This button should be active. It is. Okay. Just clicking. Oh, is this because the box is so big? I can't actually click it. Bummer. Oh, that's why. Haha. Nice. Okay. This is messed up. That object that obviously needs to be wider. But we did redeem that, which is sick. Okay, I'll show you how the game works. So, World of Grimm is a 6-turn game. Most of the time. The game works by you playing cards the same time as the other player. So Rocker Dude 77 is our opponent. You get start with 3 cards in your hand. You get 1 card every turn. Similar to Hearthstone, you get mana, and you can play cards equal to that mana or greater. The game literally tells you if you don't have enough mana to play a card, right? If you play cards, you can play up to that amount or less. Doesn't matter. You can play them in 1 out of 3 locations. Each location does something different. So this one, cards here have -2 attack power. So now this card is going to be weaker. There's going to be cards weaker. So this card would be 0 attack here. We don't want that. At the end of 6 turns, you need to have a higher total red score, so your total attack score, at 2 out of 3 locations to win the game. So we're actually not going to play anything this turn, and I don't think they are either. So now Mysterious Glade has revealed. Conquering the land, yeah. So Mysterious Glade, playing a card here adds a random card to your hand. So I'm going to play Mind Meld. Mind Meld will take one of my cards and toss it to their hand. Swap a random card in your hand with a random card in your opponent's hand. Right? So, I got the Wolf. And I got the Wolf from them. The Big Bad Wolf. And I got Nightfall from the Mysterious Glade. Strange Village just revealed. Swap the attack power and health of each card in your hand. Now, looks like the Wolf got buffed because his attack got swapped. But it looks like the Shoemaker's worse and the Red Fox is worse now too, right? So let's see. Turn 3, we're going to play the Shoemaker on this side. The Shoemaker gets +1 attack for each card that's at this location. The Wolf is actually a very strong card. I'm happy that we have him for turn 6. So we have an ability called Dusk Shift in the game, which turns the game to nighttime. At the end of the game, this card gains +3 attack for each card in your opponent's hand. So if they keep drawing cards, they'll get stronger. So we're going to play Godmother Toad here. And we're going to play Dark Omen here. Dark Omen hurts all cards in this realm by 1 health, and if a card's health goes to 0, its attack is 0 also. For some reason, this didn't do anything. Very weird bug. I've never seen that before. Did Dibe still occupy the spot? Right, they're considered dead cards. You can bring dead cards back by giving them life, by using cards like Snow White that buffs other cards, or Red Riding Hood. Yeah. So I think we're going to play Town Mouse there and Frog King to buff some attacks. Thumb. Okay. Red Cap. So then there are cards that exist like Red Cap, who has a channel ability, and channel abilities only exist or only work if the card's alive. If the card's health stat is 0, their channel doesn't work. So if your side of this realm is 4 cards plus 4 attack power. So if you fill up this location, she's a 6 attack. Turn 6, we're going to play the wolf somewhere that we know that we can win. Probably going to play him here. He has 6 cards. There he is. Yeah, 6 cards in his hand. If he doesn't play anything, he's going to get plus 18 attack power. He's going to play 3 cards, we'll get plus 9 out of it, which is still good. So Wise Old Woman changed the location. As long as he doesn't play anything big here, so we're going to win. Because the wolf got buffed. There we go. So we won. For some reason, it triggered something. Add quest progress. I see. There we go. Imagine losing in your own game. Oh, I lose all the time. Honestly, the AI is so well trained that we lose constantly. And also, when we showed the game at Play NYC, people got their butt kicked consistently. We need to also change this. There are easier versions of the bots that we have too, but it's random. It's randomly picked, and you could lose against a good deck. You can lose against a bad deck too. Mainly because the game changes every time. There's different locations, right? So that's the entire game. I think we have a register command. You can actually join the closed beta. Log. World of Grimm. Is it just Grimm? I'll figure it out. Here it is. You can click that, and then you can go to the register page, which is on the website. It needs a better way to get to the website. Okay. Need to work on that too. Alright, so this turns this and this on. We need to have these available at all times. That way I think we have an unlockable quest here. Ooh, sweet. Okay. So when we redeem it, what happens? Right? What happens when we redeem the quest? Redeem the quest, remove the quest. We're not removing it from the list. We are... Maybe we are removing it from the list. Yeah, we totally are. Okay. So then we save quests. Cool. So we redeem the quest. It's now saved with the 2 quests instead of 3. Now we have still there. Interesting. Okay, so it's interesting that it's doing that. We also need to make sure that we do something to it. I limited a brain fart. What was I doing? Yes. Yes, it is. It's rare enough. They're really cool last name. If that was a nickname, that's what everyone says, right? No, I mean it's a long last name. You know, it's always plagued me in public, in real life. Too long to write. Nobody can say it. You know, I was always called crass in every sport I played in school. With the Stag City shirt. You like it? Awesome, right? Looks so good. Gotta rep the work attire, the work uniform. The game has come a long way since you last checked in. What's up, Ed Wilbert? How you been, buddy? It's good to see you. Thanks for the kind words. Much appreciated. Alright, so quests are being butts. That's because... Save the quests. Saving all the quest ID data. Okay. Hold on a second. Busy with work? No, that feeling. We're gonna move when we redeem a quest. We redeem a quest. It still exists. It doesn't exist, we destroy it. Hold on a second. You're telling me to destroy the quest? Yeah, later, buddy. Talk to you soon. Thanks for hanging out. Always good to see you. The class. It does make the quest missing when we redeem it. Okay. This is not technically null, is it? Technically, that's hidden. Is missing the same as null? That's a question I don't know the answer to. AQ, destroy AQ game object. So let's run a for loop through activeQuest.count. If AQ active quests I equals AQ, then active quests I equals null. Dot active quest I dot active quest dot AQ. Hold on a second. I'm struggling. Equals null. There we go. We're good. Did that fix that? Gotta fix it. Reload. Okay, so if we are in quests, we go like bow. There are now 3 quests in here, right? We have now moved our quests. Quest visuals. Oh, I see the biggest issue. The biggest issue, right, is that we need to now take, when we turn that off, it needs to be set to the last reset sibling. Main menu object is complete on redeem. Transform dot set sibling index. Transform sibling set as last sibling. There we go. That should be okay. Wait. There they are. Why are there 4 now? There were 3. Did I fix it? I don't know what happened now. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, so wait, so we need to fix the prefab. Looks like utter doo-doo. Looks like doo-doo! Auto size? 18 to 22? This number says 30 out of 30. Dig it. Better. Now there's 3 again. You still here? Not me. I'm out. Used to have a button to do that. I guess the button doesn't work anymore. Alright, so... Shut up. It's fucking dumb. Oh, man. Okay, so we click this quest guy, it'll bring the quest screen up, which is the only thing we really don't have in the game yet. Okay. Alright, I think we're at a good spot. I think we can jump overboard for now. Let's see who we can go raid. Guys, thanks for hanging out today. Much appreciated. Knees kind of hurt. Need like new knees. You know, if you hear about any new knees, ooh, look at this top of this green screen and this thing, whatever that is. All right, if you hear about any new knees, let me know. We have cool things on Twitter and TikTok and all that stuff. Go follow us. Let's go see who is live on the game dev of Twitch. All right. Let's see here. Let's go over to... Go over to Stardeus, which is Dev Spagus. He's an amazing, amazing dude. Working on a RimWorld in space style game. So we're gonna go raid him. And talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out. Catch you later. See you tomorrow. I do have a button that does it. I found it. It's right here. Here I am. Oh my god. I can't believe I found it. I pushed the wrong one the entire time. And muscle memory worked. Okay, love you. Bye.